Welcome to our step-by-step guide on building off-grid solar power systems. The demand for sustainable and efficient energy has grown exceptionally over recent years. Solar power, being a clean, renewable resource, dramatically reduces carbon footprints. In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to build an off-grid solar power system, enabling you to become confidently energy self-sufficient. Firstly, let's understand what an off-grid system is. It simply means a system that is designed to generate all the electrical power you need without being connected to the communal power network. This means you are entirely independent of the local utility company, offering freedom and increased resilience, especially in remote locations. For getting started with building an off-grid solar power system, there are a few key items you'd need. The primary constituents of an off-grid solar system are solar panels, charge controller, battery bank, and an inverter. The solar panels collect sunlight and convert it into electricity. The charge controller regulates the voltage and current coming from your solar panels, which charges the batteries. The batteries then store that energy for later use. Lastly, the inverter converts DC power, stored in the batteries, into AC power for your household appliances. We will detail each component in the coming scenes. The first significant step in creating an off-grid solar power system is to install your solar panels. These panels should be positioned in a location where they will receive the maximum amount of sunlight throughout the day. Usually, rooftops are a fantastic place as they tend to be clear of obstructions. To install the solar panels, secure them onto the rooftop using a mounting system. The panel should be tilted at an angle optimal for maximum solar production, usually equal to your latitude. Remember to connect your solar panels in series or parallel depending on your voltage and power needs. No energy system would be complete without control and storage solutions. Here, we will see how to set up the charge controller and the battery bank. The charge controller is essential to maintain the health of the battery bank by preventing overcharging. Next, establish your battery bank. Use a deep cycle type battery designed for frequent charging and discharging cycles. Configure them in series or parallel to achieve desired voltage and capacity. Always remember to store your batteries in a cool and well-ventilated place to avoid any mishaps. This stage of the project is dedicated to setting up your inverter. This device plays a pivotal role in converting your stored solar power from DC to usable AC power for your home appliances. Connect your inverter to the battery bank. Ensure that your inverter is appropriately sized to power all your electrical appliances. Once connected, you've successfully built your off-grid solar power system. Always remember to conduct regular maintenance checks on your system to ensure it stays running efficiently and safely.